Hi students, yes, in the previous grammar class you learnt countables and uncountables. I hope you completed the exercise first, second, third main. Total 3 mains in the first exercise. I hope you finished that one. Okay, first main is there, just you put C. C means countable. It means U means uncountable. C and countable. Then U means uncountable now. So I hope you finished those things. Exercise number 1. So in this class I am going to start the second chapter, the use of a or an. The use of a or an. Second chapter. So a or an, basically a or an what in grammar? A or an we are calling article. We are calling what? Article. A or an articles. See that. Yes, in English grammar, a and an are known as indefinite article. Yes, let's see. A or an. A or an. So, what type of article these are? Indefinite article. These are indefinite article. One more is there, that is the. The is a definite article. The is a definite article. A or an, those are indefinite article. So what sound before we have to use a or an article? That is also important. A ಮತ್ತು an indefinite article ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು you have to know that. Okay, definite and indefinite. Okay, let's see. Here first one, a article. So here we use a before beginning with the consonant sound. It is used before, it is used before what sound? Consonant sound. So consonant sound before we have to use a article. What sound before we have to use a article? Just going to underline that consonant. Yes, vowels and consonant I think you learned in the previous class. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All those are alphabets. In the alphabets we make two groups. One is vowel, another one is a consonant. See here, vowels. How many vowels in alphabets? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, then E, I, O, U. Those are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Those are called vowels. Remaining letters are called consonants. So here, A it is used before consonant sound. A it is used before what sound? Consonant sound. For example, a baby, a cat, a man, Okay, a person, a doctor, a liar. See that? So, baby, cat, man, person, doctor, liar. All those words start with what? Just you going to observe. These words start with what sound? Vowel or consonant? Yes, B is there. So B is what? Consonant. Okay, B is what? Consonant. Then C it is what? It is also consonant. Then M is there. M is also consonant. Man. Okay. Then P. P is also consonant. D is also consonant. L is also consonant. It means totally a article is used before what? Consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound. Even or, you are right, I am noting. Or vowel also, including vowel consonant sound with the consonant vowel with consonant sound. Vowel with the consonant sound. So how? Totally it is a consonant. So vowel with consonant. Vowel with the consonant. For example, university. University. Unique. Okay, union. So that like a man. So man is already written. Okay, a 1 rupee note. Okay, a 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. See that vowel with consonant sound. Okay, vowel with the consonant sound. These are university, 1 rupee. Okay, unique. All these are words happen vowel with the consonant sound. So this movement also we have to use a article. So actually U, O, these are what? Vowels. These words start with what? U and O, vowels. Although what we have to use a article before the words, because we have to pronounce like a vowel. Okay, just consonant, vowel with the consonant sound. That's the reason we have to use what? Just that reason. A. University, 1 rupee note. So depend upon, sometimes articles are used depend upon what you pronounce. ನಾವು ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಲಂಬನೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇನಿದೆ ವೋವೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಅ 1 rupee. So a union leader, that like you may write. Okay, totally a it is used before vowel sound plus vowel with consonant sound. Keep this point in your mind. Okay, let's see. Some words I am going to write. Unique, union, okay, university, uniform. So before these words we have to use a sound. A university, a union leader, a university, okay, a unique, a uniform, because vowel with the consonant, vowel with the consonant sound. That's reason we have to use A before these words: unique, union, university, and uniform. Okay, is it understand? So let's see one more thing. Our, okay, honorable, humble. See that these words start with what? Vowel or consonant? These words, yes, our, honorable, humble ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಓವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ? ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ. Is it right? So what article we have to use before these words? Our, honorable, humble. What article we have to use? A or N? What article? Yes, yan. Yan article we have to use because here in these words, so H is silent. H is silent. Our, honorable, humble. So what's happened here? H is silent. That's the reason we have used yan before these words. Okay, let's see next. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅವು ಏನು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮು, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ. Let's see. An. Let's come to the an article. A is finished. A is finished. Next, an article. Yes, an article, it is used before vowel sound. This sound before we have used an article. Vowel sound. Okay. What are the vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Just you have write in the bracket. A, E, I, O, U. Is it right? A, E, I, O, U. Before vowel sound, we have to use what article? An. An article we have to use. See that. We use an before the words begin with the vowel sounds or words begin with the H, H silent. See that. For example, apple, engineer, orange, Indian, okay, E, I, O, umbrella. Just look those words, okay, just you look those words. Why we have to use an article? Because this word, just going to underline, just observe the first letter. In these are the words, what is the first letter? Consonant or vowel, we have to identify that first. A is there, apple, engineer, orange, Indian, umbrella. Yes, clear picture is there. Yeah, it is used before vowel sound. So what we have to write? An apple. Okay, then an engineer, then an orange, then an Indian, then an ice cream. Sorry, an umbrella. Because these words start with the vowel. Some words, what's happened, start with the vowel, although consonant, although we have to use an article. What are those? Let's see. MLA, MP, okay, HMT, FDA, SDA, okay, then MA, so X-ray, okay, and X-ray, see that. So here next our honorable, humble, see that. MLA, MP, HMP, FDA, SDA, MA, XA, all those words start with what? Vowel or consonant? Consonant. But we have to use an article because vowel with consonant sound. Because of what? Vowel with consonant sound. That's the reason we have to use an MLA, an MP, an HMP, an FDA, an SDA, an MA plus an X-ray. I hope you got that. So, okay, this part is okay. Next, another one part is there. Those also start with consonant. So, why we have to use an article before those words? Already you understood that because H is silent. Because what's happened? H is silent. H is silent. That's the reason we have to use an article. Okay? An apple, an engineer, an orange, an Indian, an umbrella, an MLA, an MP, an HMT, an FDA, SDA, MA, X-ray. Our honorable, humble, those words also takes an article. So pronunciation, sometimes it depends on pronunciation. I hope you understood today. An. Do you understand? Okay. So homework. Write down the homework. Exercise. Complete exercise number 2. First main. Complete exercise number 2. First main. So what is that? Fill in the blanks. An. First main. Fill in the blanks. An. First main. Second exercise first main ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ an ತುಂಬುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 14 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 14 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, see you in the next class. Thanks for watching the videos.